This property features 2 homes and a spacious lot. There are many options available to you with this property. The building to the front features 864 square feet. This building has already had renovations started and is ready for you to make it truly a one-of-a-kind home suited to you. The second home nestled to the rear of the property features 730 square feet and is ready for you to make it your own. This property also features a fenced and spacious yard. Located only 10 minutes from downtown Tampa and just minutes from the Lowry Park Zoo and Busch Gardens. This is a wonderful opportunity and it won't last long.